Hi, I'm Kirthanaa Naidu, and I'm very excited to be back home in Malaysia today to show you a couple of recipes from home. I'm not getting a job here anytime soon. Penang has got incredible food, very much because it was the main port of entry for Malaysia. It was ingredients coming together from China, India, sort of mixing up dishes and like how amazing the food would be. All of it coming together, it's so delicious, and that's what we've got here. Rojak basically means mixed. It's just like the cultures of Malaysia.
What rojak order panni?
We're ordering like an Indian Muslim rojak, so it's called pasimbor. It's really delicious. First, I'm going to cut up some of the fruits, vegetables for the main salad. Pineapple, green apple, green mango, cucumber, bite-sized chunks are perfect, radishes, then deep-fried tofu. So you've got a block of Belacan here. A little really goes a long way. What I'm going to do is crumble it into a pan that I've slightly heated up on medium heat. And then you want to lightly and slowly toast it until it dries out. You know those things where like people do, like you have a mask on and you try different things? This would be such a mean one. Get the pan on and let's get the sauce made for the rojak. So I'm going to start with some chili sauce. Instead of measuring it, I'm going to use the agat-agat method, which is how my mum cooks and how most people in Malaysia cook. And then we're going to do some of the shrimp paste. Got some of the toasted belacan, sugar, and finally some water. I'm cooking it until it becomes really gooey, and then it will be perfect. I'm going to take it off heat and add some calamansi lime. That's perfect. This is my favorite part of getting the rojak together. Get messy, get your hands together, chuck it all into the bowl and give it a good mix. And then I've got my sauce here. It's like the perfect consistency. I love adding roasted peanuts as well. I'm just going to sprinkle that all over, and then some sesame seeds. Now all you've got to do is serve some. Here's the rojak. It's a great one to enjoy with friends or family. Perfect for a tea time snack as well.